Today we are using our peanut butter cookie recipe, and the link to this recipe can be found in the description box below. Tools and equipment we'll be using: scissors, 3 small spoons, ziplock plastic bags for piping on the frosting, and the frosting will be melted candy melts. Our Christmas colours will be using red, green and white. Now let's get started. I've already melted the green candy melts, the red candy melts and the white candy melts. Candy melts melted with just a teaspoon of Kofa or Crisco will give it this lovely smooth texture which makes it easy for piping. Take a Ziploc bag and add the first colour frosting, which for us will be green, making sure that the frosting is pushed all the way down to the corner. Squeeze any air out of the bag and seal. Take your scissors and snip the corner off the bag, making a small hole to pipe the frosting through. Using a continuous motion, squeeze the bag and swirl the frosting onto the Christmas tree shapes. Do the same with the star shapes. If you'd like a little thicker look on the frosting, simply snip a little bit more off the bottom of the bag to give a different effect. Choose the red frosting and repeat the same procedure. Pop a little white star dot on each of the trees. Here you go, Oscar. Here, Rolly. Now we're going to take a look at a great idea on how to package your Christmas tree for your favourite pooch.
So check out our next video. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel and share this video with other dog loving friends. Thanks for watching. Happy Christmas!